Hello, finance enthusiasts. Today's video will not be, let's say, just a regular lesson, but rather be a discussion on the topic that we didn't cover yet in our exercises. Today I want to talk about the options. What are the options? Options are a type of financial operations, or let's call them even financial contracts, that give the traders the right but not the obligation to buy and sell a stock at a set price within a specific time frame. Those are very interesting tools used for hedging, generating income, or speculating even on the stock market. They come with risks, making it required to understand the nature of it and to understand basics and strategies investors use before diving those in. So what does option strategies look like? Let's show an example of the AMC on Robinhood. Trade options. Basically, options are four types. Buy call, which is the right to buy a stock at a predetermined price. It's used then in cases when you believe the stock price will rise, allowing to profit from increase without owning the stock. And why people are using it? Because sometimes you need to make a huge investment to own stocks, but with the options you are just keeping it minimum. The number here, ask price, is the one that should be multiplied. This one is shown by once for one stock, and the minimum scope of it is 100 stocks. So basically you should multiply it by 100. So it will be $12 here. The next one is buy put, which is allowing a user to sell a stock for a specified price. You think the stock will drop. It's used to protect portfolio value when the market is bearish. Next one is sell call, which we will get into more deeper. That's the simplest strategy for the investors. Giving to selling a call option means you are giving someone else the right to buy a stock from you, the stock that you own, for a specific price. This generates income, and that's the thing that we are going to talk about, but limits upside potential. So it's great thing for stocks that you don't think will move significantly. And the last one is sell put. You agree to buy a stock at a set price if the buyer chooses to exercise the option. This is profitable if the stock price rises or stays steady. It allows you to keep the premium. And for buyers, if you buy some call or put, you are paying the premium. And if you are a seller, you are receiving the premium. And that brings us to the covered calls. What is the covered calls? It's when you execute a strategy when you own stocks and selling a covered call. Like, for example, I own AMC stocks at 474 and I am ready to sell them for a price of 5. That's covered call. And for each 100 of those, I will get $11 as premium. And doesn't matter if stock price will go up or down, I am still keeping the premium. Now, if the stock price will go above 5, I am selling it for 5 and I have them let's say at the market price, or I'm going to buy them at the market price, which is 472. I'm going to buy 100 of those. It's like 472. And selling those by 5 will generate me an income of 500 with $11 as premium. So you can calculate, it's like $30 on when the option will be executed. If the option will not be executed, so stock price will be remaining under 5, I'm still keeping the stocks and I'm still keeping the premium. So option is executed worthless. What I wanted to talk about in particular, it's the script that I wrote in Python, and which is generating the list of covered calls or the dashboard for them with the potential investing opportunities. You can see here on the screen that those results are displayed as a table. And let's take, for example, the stock AES with the price of 13.48. We can see that we can sell it for the stock strike price 13. This is the price here that we just saw, and my script is calculating profitability of the strike price and generates the potential opportunities. For example, AG is 618, and if you are investing here buying by 618 100, it's 618 investment, and you are agreeing to sell it at 650. You're still getting $6 as premium, so you are getting 1% of income for today's November 13. You are getting it for just 2 days, so 1% of investment income just for 2 days. So long story short, I've started to put profitable insights on my Telegram channel. The link to it will be displayed in the description of this video, and I'm going to place one profitable option a day for all of you to check and validate if it's working good or not. And soon this option display with profitability will be a specific service which I am going to announce, and it will be on subscription base, so wait for the updates, stay tuned for the updates on that one too. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you for your time. Stay connected, like, share the video, and comment if you have any ideas on your own. We will try to implement them together. Thank you.